In this video, I'll be showing you how to get voice chat on Roblox Mobile. Start by going to the home page, then select More from the bottom or open the side menu. Find and open the settings. Select Account Info from the options, then find the Personal section. Tap on the Continue with Selfie button. You may need to verify with Authenticator, email, or phone number. Tap Continue, then select Continue again. Select Allow if asked to allow Roblox to access your camera. Place your face in the provided circle, making sure you have good lighting. Then follow the guides and move your head to each side as instructed. It should automatically take photos, or you may need to manually select the Take Photo button. Once done, your age will be estimated and you will see features now available to you. I believe you need to be estimated as 13 or older to get voice chat. Go back to the Roblox settings, then select Privacy and Content Restrictions. Select Communication, then open the Experience Chat options. Set Experience Chat to on. Go into a game that supports voice chat, then head to the top corner. If you see a headset icon, then tap on it to connect to voice chat. If you see a microphone button with a slash through it, then tap it to unmute your mic. Tap on the Roblox icon to open the menu, then switch to the settings. Go down and find the voice chat option. Then set it to Connected if it isn't already. If you don't have the option, then try closing the Roblox app and reopen it, or try adding your phone number to your account. This was another way to get voice chat, but I'm unsure if it will help with this update. Go down and set your input device to the microphone you're using, and set the output device to the device you use to listen to game sound. Close, and you now know how to get voice chat on Roblox Mobile.